Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Lexus IS300 door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Having these on hand will make the process much smoother. Begin by gently prying off the tweeter cover, which is usually located at the top corner of the door. This piece often just pulls straight off. Remember to work carefully to avoid scratching any surfaces. Next, you'll need to locate and remove the hidden fasteners. There are typically two Phillips head screws, one in the door pull handle, often concealed by a felt pad, and another behind the door lock grommet. Use your screwdriver to remove these. Then, carefully pry off the plastic trim piece around the door handle and lock. A plastic trim tool is ideal here to prevent any damage. Some models also have screws behind the window switch panel, which you'll need to gently pry up and disconnect. With all the screws and trim pieces removed, it's time to detach the main door panel. Start by gently pulling the bottom and edges of the panel straight towards you. You'll hear the plastic clips disengage as you work your way around. Once the clips are loose, lift the entire door panel straight up and away from the door frame. Be mindful of any remaining electrical connectors, like those for the courtesy light, and carefully disconnect them. Finally, detach the two cables from the inside door handle mechanism. Reinstalling the door panel is essentially the reverse of removal. First, reconnect all electrical harnesses and the door handle cables. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame, ensuring all the plastic clips are lined up with their corresponding holes. Gently push the panel into place, starting from the top and working your way down, pressing firmly around the edges until all clips snap securely. Before fully tightening the screws, test all window and lock functions to confirm everything works correctly. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.